Today we will perform operation of pump controller wiring installation. First, use an Allen wrench on the opposite side 5. Unscrew the 4 screws from the controller. Enter the cable line. Pass through inside the large lock nut on the left. If necessary, the input cable can be equipped with additional terminals for easy installation. The unidirectional input cable is connected to the NL port, N to the neutral wire, L connect the line of fire, E grounding wire. Next, connect the output water pump. The cable thread passes through the large lock nut on the right. If necessary, the input cable can be equipped with additional terminals for easy installation. The output cable is connected to the UVW port cable jacket installation. The pump is strictly prohibited from operating without the controller. The pump must be connected to the controller for use. Otherwise, it will blow up.